Hi boys and girls, it's Miss White here. Today we are going to be doing lesson 13 in phonics. The worksheet looks like this, so make sure you have that and write your name up here at the top for me. First we're going to start with a little review of our sounds. We're going to talk about medial sounds and the sounds that come in the middle of the word. So our first group of words is weave, lean, beat, and meal. What is that sound you hear in the middle? E. Our next group of words is bet, peg, neck, and wed. That short E, is the sound you hear in there. Next we have pipe, line, fight, and ride. That's the I sound we're hearing in the middle. Next we have rope, boat, moan, and poke. It's the O sound. And last we have pin, win, lick, and sill. We hear the ick sound in the middle. All right. Does everybody remember how we learned yesterday about the suffix S? And when we have S, we box it off to code it as a suffix. All right. Moving on, let's get out our worksheet and we're going to start on number 1. I'm going to give you the spelling sound and I want you to write down the letter. So number 1 is N. What letter is N? N, and then write it down. Number 2, I, and write it down. Number 3, O, and write it down. Number 4, P, write it down. Number 5 is L, L, and write it down. Number 6, we have A, and write it down. Coming up here, we have number 7 is S. We have S. Number 8, I, and write down I. Number 9, O, and O. Number 10, we have A, and write it down. All right. For number 11, I want you to spell the word sip. S-I-P. Number 11, S-I-P. All right, number 12 is pans. P-A-N-S. Pans. P-A-N-S. P-A-N-S. Pans. Good job. All right, next we are going to talk about blends. We've kind of been seeing some blends, but you maybe haven't quite realized that that's what they are yet. So let's look at this. S-L. What sound is S-L make? Sl. Right. What are some words that start with S-L? The first one I think of is sleep. Another one, oops, slide. You know, everyone loves the slides out at recess. Another word, slick or sleigh. These are all SL words. Some blends have 2 letters and some blends have 3, as we'll learn as we go on. Let's look at this. Here are our different blends. We have ST, SN, SP, PL, and SPL. Hold on. SPL. Those are our different blends, and we still have SL from the beginning. All right. I'm going to say a word, and I want you to tell me what blend it is. So our first word is spill. Spill. SP. Good job. All right, our next word is sparrow. Sparrow. That's SP too. All right, let's move on. Some other blends we could have with ST be stage, start, stain. For SPL, we could do splinter, splatter, split. All right, let's talk about coding these words. When we code blends, we don't write anything down because if you'll notice something, let's look at this word, slant. We don't have to know any special rule for a blend. We're still making the same sounds for that blend. We're still saying the S and the L sound, slant. So when we code it just like we would a normal word, and we start and we look for any prefixes, suffixes, any endings. We don't have anything like that, so here we just see vowel, consonant, which gives the vowel a brev. And we have slant. All right. Let's practice coding some words like we have on our worksheet. We have plan. Again, there's nothing special there, nothing to add at the end, so we're just going to look at our vowel consonant. We're going to code the A with a brev, and we have plan. All right. Let's get our worksheet and practice spelling words that have blends. Let's look at number 13. For number 13, I want you to spell the word last. Oh, one thing we didn't talk about is how blends can come at the beginning or the end. So how we had ST, think about last. Last. So we're going to spell it out. L-A-S-T. All right, last. Number 14, we're going to do snap. S-N-A-P. S-N-A-P. Snap. And number 15 is going to be slip. S-L-I-P. S-L-I-P. Slip. All right, good job. Next on our worksheet, we're going to look at number 16, and we're going to code those words. Let's start with number 16. The word is stop. Just 1 second, kiddos. All right, stop. S-T-O-P. We do see that we have a blend here, but we don't do anything for our blend. So we're just looking at our vowel consonant. We have just vowel consonant, so our vowel gets a brev. Stop. Number 17, list. Again, we have our blend. It doesn't need anything. But we have vowel, consonant, and it's going to get a brev. List. Number 18. Slot. See, we have another blend, SL, and then we have vowel, consonant, and the vowel gets a brev. Slot. Number 19. Remember, at any time you can pause the video. If you want, you can always try these on your own and then go back and review them with me when you're done. Number 19 is plant. Plant. Here we have vowel, consonant, consonant, so our vowel gets a brev. Plant. Number 20. Split. Here we have that SPL blend. Vowel, consonant, our vowel gets a breath. Split. 21. Spots. What do we see here? A suffix. Our S gets a box, and then we code it like regularly. We have vowel, consonant, our vowel gets a brev. Spots. 22. So, when we end in a vowel and there's no consonant after it, our vowel says its name and it gets a macron. So, 23. Whoops. That was 23. Sorry, y'all. 22 was pass. Our A gets a brev because we have vowel, consonant. Pass. So we already did. It gets the macron. 24. Passed. Here we see our blend, ST. It doesn't get coded. Our A gets the macron, gets the brev. Passed. And 25. Spill. We have our blend, but it doesn't get coded. We have vowel, consonant. The vowel gets the brev. Spill. All right. On your homework for today, you're going to just write down the blend. You're not going to spell this whole word. So here we have, just to help you out, stop, spill, plant, splash, slip, and spot. So you're just going to write down the blend that you hear in those words. Then you're going to code these words like we just did. And down here you're going to practice these words with somebody at home. And we will see you on the next video. Thanks.